everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be another productive vlog. So here I was taking maths lecture, quadratic equations. Hey guys, it's 5:30 p.m. and not me getting distracted. So guys, I am still on lecture number 8 of maths because बहुत मुश्किल questions थे and मुझसे बन नहीं रहे थे, तो finally I'm getting the question, so I'll be working on that. And yes, now let's go and let's study because today I have to complete a major backlog. So yeah. So here I tried a new camera angle. Actually मेरे बाल भीगे हुए थे, that's why I opened them, but then it was like very frustrating, so I tied them up and then came back. So here I was completing quadratic equations chapter lecture 8 and then I was done with it. The time was around about 6:40 p.m. and then I came back to solve DPPs. Actually 8 o'clock शोभित भैया की क्लास थी जिसमें वो सारी DPPs डिस्कस करवाने वाले थे, बट आई न्यू डैट जितना मेरा DPPs का बैकलॉग है मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा लाइक शोभित भैया की क्लास के पहले, सो इसलिए आई गिव अप. एंड उसके बाद मैंने फेडरलिज्म का आई गेस मेरा एक लेक्चर का बैकलॉग था वो कम्प्लीट किया. And also guys, I'm very sorry for not uploading the videos from past few days because literally my life now is a chaos, literal chaos. I'm literally at this situation where I'm escaping from reality. Well, अगर आपको ऐसी और चीज़ें जाननी है कि क्या ऐसा चल रहा है, so I'm gonna start a series called Bhassad and I was done with lecture. So yeah, I'm gonna start a series called Bhassad. So इसी के लिए आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो और नोटिफिकेशंस ऑन कर लो, जल्दी ही उसका एपिसोड 1 आ जाएगा. I'll be very raw and honest in that. And इस वीडियो में मैंने काफ़ी न्यू कैमरा एंगल ट्राई किए हैं, so let me know कि which one looks the best. And guys, मेरे जो बाल है ना यहाँ पे, I'm very sorry for placing this clip in a very wrong position. Anyways guys, here I was again taking another lecture I guess. And also एक दो दिन पहले I had participated in a speech competition sort of thing जिसमें मेरे को लाइक अगले ही दिन जाके बोलना था सब कुछ. I had to write a topic myself about current events, जो भी natural disasters चल रहे हैं उस पर. I had to write it myself, learn it overnight and कल जाके लाइक मेरे को सुनाना था और मैम एक वीडियो बनाते. एंड हमारे जो स्कूल की और ब्रांचेस है उसमें से there was a sort of competition thing, so we had to do that. And also I have a debate competition on 26th, that's an inter-school, so that's gonna be more tough. So guys, it is that time of the year when question practice is the major thing and अभी time है सही reference books लेने का. But there are a lot of books in the market, so what should we purchase right now? So right now you should purchase question banks. Now let me introduce you to the one of the best question banks ever that can also work as concept books, that are Oswal question banks. These are for SST, Maths, English and Science. So I have got all subjects. So now let me tell you some features of these books. The feature that I love is that this is not a black and white book, but it is a full colorful book. So in the starting of the book, you can see the typology here, which will help you understand the questions better. Then in the very beginning, you get the 2025 question papers, solved question papers. After that, these are the chapters where learning outcomes, study alert points, topics, everything is written. And after that, there's a mind map and then some revision notes, key dates and some important things. Then comes this competency focused questions, and then you will see objective type questions, subjective type questions, like every sort of question, assertion, reasons. Then you'll also get toppers answers here. And then commonly made error, answering tips. Also the questions are PYQs, you can see. The best part is you can get topic wise questions, and at the end of the chapter there is this assess yourself, artificial intelligence, art integration, and then there is a test which you can attempt by yourself and get your answers checked by scanning this QR code. And at the end of a unit you also get a space to create your own mind map. And at the end of a unit you also get this self-assessment paper where you can get the answers by scanning this QR code. And then at the end of the book you also get 2 practice papers to check your performance, and you can scan the answers from here. See, there are many features in this book and I can't cover all of the features in just a few seconds, but these features are not only for social science but for maths, for English, and for science. So go get your Ostal books now. Link is in the description box and the pinned comment. And yes, go get your books.